So this is my ID, my industrial descender. Very safe piece of kit. It's got a few functions on it to look after you when you're on the ropes. So to open it up, open the black catch, unhook the swinging front plate, and I can see inside. So it tells us I can use a rope from 10 mil to 11.5 mil, and then we've got a symbol saying the top end, the attachment end of the rope, and the hand on the other end. So the correct way to load the rope from the anchor point to the base nearest me, and then the loose end comes out of the top, like so. So when there's weight on it, the friction around the bottom rotates the cam and traps the rope at the top. When the handle comes down, it progressively opens that up and gives me a nice controlled descent. If I pull too hard on the handle, it disengages. If I take the handle the other way, you can see it actually locks the device off. It closes that gap there. The other safety feature of the ID, if I manage to load the rope in the wrong direction, like that, when I pull the rope down to control it, it connects on these teeth here, and that'll actually lock the device up and prevent me from descending. The latest IDs have got another feature, which is this button on the end of the handle, and that's just for when I'm not got my full weight on the device. It just aids feeding rope through the device when it's not fully loaded. Obviously, when I'm using it, make sure it's fully snapped shut down there. This carabiner screwed up. We lock it off when we're not using it. That's about all there is to it. Okay, so this is our ASAP, our backup device. It's quite a neat piece of kit. It's got a rotating wheel that travels up and down the rope. Dead easy to put on and off. Just push the rope in and out. Connect the ASAP lanyard through the top two holes with this triple action carabiner, making sure that when it's closed, the rope is inside the carabiner. So as I travel down the rope, the wheel spins. If we go too fast, it locks on just like a seatbelt. If I happen to have a hard fall, or we've got extra load due to maybe doing a rescue, it's got an energy absorbing lanyard that'll tear to absorb any extra force. This energy absorbing lanyard, it's worth giving it a quick inspection every now and then. So if I undo the zip, we can see information on there. You can quickly check how old it is, and also if we look at the back, this blue stitching here, if any of that's torn, you know the lanyard's begun to deploy and it needs retiring. So if we've overtaken our ASAP and it's locked onto the rope and I want to continue going down, all I need to do is push the wheel against the rope and move it in the opposite direction, just a tiny amount, and that'll release the wheel. It's just like a seatbelt. Down we can go. No. So there's 3 lanyards available for the ASAP. This is the only one, the L57 lanyard, which is suitable for rescues for 2-person loads. So this is the only one we bother using at Access Techniques. So if we're going to climb up the rope, we're going to use a combination of a chest descender and this handle descender with a foot loop. They work in exactly the same way. We've got a toothed cam in here, sharp teeth, and the shape of the cam, when it's on the rope, if you pull down, the teeth pull the cam into the channel and it traps the rope. So by having one of these above me on the rope and my chest ascender on. By alternately standing up on my foot loop, my chest ascender moves up, I sit down, push my handle descender up, push the hand descender up, stand up in the foot loop, chest ascender goes up.